I got the pressure washer 60 again, X-Mark. I took the rear tires off and took a wash rag and some water and did the front and the back of the wheels. Front ones I'm not too worried about. Can't get a jack there, and it'd probably be a pain in the butt getting them off, so I did those the best I could. Got the whole engine wet, of course. Actually wetter than before, so hopefully we'll have just as good luck of it starting up quick as it did last time. But yeah, it's really clean. Yeah, the top of the 5 of 18 battery sticker was falling off, so I just took it the rest of the way off. Oil caps, oil dipstick's more clean, but let's see if this will work for a good. Oh yeah, that worked great. Throttle up. Should start right up. Sounds like only one cylinder is running, because it got a little wet. We'll let it run a minute, and we'll back it inside and park it.